To the new video. Today once again I have Excel techniques for all of you guys. Excel can solve your every kinds of problem, so please work on Excel. So in today's video I want to show you here like these techniques. I have name, and after that here is a number, a name and number, but it is like a little bit there is a problem. Mistakenly I have written their name and also then his number and also name and his phone number, but now right now I want the all names here in this column and also numbers in here. So how can I separate them? So if I click, like too many people they are using these techniques, they are clicking here in copy, then they are coming here and paste it again, they copy the number, then they paste it. But so really this is time consuming, but how can we do it automatically and very faster? For this you should select the table or information or data that you want to separate, and also you should select this one. After that you should press Ctrl G, and after that you should click here on the special, and after this click here on the constants, and after that come here and uncheck this number, logical and errors, and after this you should okay, and after that you should press Ctrl C to copy, and after this you should have come here and also you should press here Ctrl V, and after that again you should select the number, it means the data or information, and again you should press Ctrl G to open, go to. After this you should click again on the special, click on constants, and also, and right now I need to the number, I should not uncheck the number because I need the numbers, you should uncheck these all, and after this you should okay, and after that you should click Ctrl C to copy the number. After that you should copy, and after this you should click here and also Ctrl V. So look at that, here is the name and there is the numbers. So by easy techniques, like only we have here 6 numbers of people. If you have 1,000 or 2,000 or 10,000 people like this one, but how you can, if you separate it, but so it can consume your time, but it's an easy way that you can separate them. Thank you for watching.